think I just bought the stupidest thing I've ever bought.
I don't know about that. There's been some humdingers.
Don't even watch this. A Flymageddon. Smart trash can. What am I supposed to say? We messed that up.
Well, that's because you didn't read the instructions.
Well, it was on sale that day, and I was like, this is a sign.
He always has to take it a step farther.
I know, I take it too much. I'm just too much. But we will find out. Look at that.
Wow.
Okay. I think I just bought the stupidest thing I've ever bought.
I don't know about that. There's been some humdingers.
So we was having some thoughts about this. This is a smart trash can. Before I go any further, if you have a weak stomach or if you're eating, maybe stop and wait till later or don't even watch this. We have been having fly problems, gnats, and it's been, what have we called it? A Flymageddon. And we've been fighting with them all summer. So this may be even the wrong time to have bought this. But this is the Airdeer Smart Trash Can, and this is 8 gallons of fun. And I don't know, I've seen some good reviews and I've seen some not so good reviews. Quick start guide. Looks like it's got the cord to plug it in with. Very top. Packaging. All right. So I had went outside and we was talking about our maggots. We had maggots.
I hate to even have you say it.
What am I supposed to say? I mean, how do you...
We have trash pickup that comes once a week.
Yes.
And you obviously put food, in the trash. And yeah, it was pretty gross.
Welcome to Airdeer Smart Trash Can.
We messed that up.
Well, that's because you didn't read the instructions.
There we go.
Oh, wow, they give you a bunch more. So what this does, you obviously put your trash in there, and when it's full, you press a button that you want to change the trash, and it seals the bag in there, and then it opens, and then your bag is sealed so nothing gets in or out, right?
Yeah, we will actually, we just want to do an unboxing. We'll look at the instructions real quick and then kind of give you a once over. It's actually got lights in there if you want to see that.
Well, is it like a time? Oh yeah, cool. And this is rechargeable?
Yes.
Okay.
Rechargeable. It's supposed to last for like 90 days,
Wow.
maybe 60. It's got a bunch of bags. This is the bigger model. They have a smaller one, and they say these fit both of them. And it's just a continuous bag, and it seals it. It actually like melts it together and seals it. So one thing of these, they say will do like 25 or 30 bags for the small one. And we're thinking maybe 15, depending on how full you get them in here. So it's really not that much more expensive, but these bags are kind of thin. I was reading that, they're thin. But as far as our situation went, we want to get rid of the flies. And we want to get rid of the gnats. And she thinks the gnats is from the trash. We've already tried putting stuff down the sink. So
we have no fruit.
yeah, we don't have fruit. We've been on the carnivore diet.
So yeah, we don't.
And one of the problems with the carnivore diet, you have meat leftovers more often, I would say. And maybe that's been making it worse, but we've had this problem for a couple years now, and hopefully this is one of the solutions. Hopefully next year, no problems at all. We're going to try. I'm gonna figure this out.
And we're not going to link it right yet until we've given our full.
No, I'll link it.
Okay.
I'll link it if you guys can send it. You got 30 days to send it back. This actually has a 1-year warranty with the company because I was trying to get the extended because I got this on sale. So I went outside. It was the lunar eclipse the morning of. I was going to work, so it's bright as can be outside.
At like what time? 5:30 a.m.
Yeah, about 5:30 a.m. Getting ready to go to work, and there's those things on the ground, and it's pretty disgusting. So I was telling her the night before. She's like, "No, we don't need that. That's stupid." Which it is. It was $220 or something at the time. Well, it was on sale that day, and I was like, "This is a sign."
Well, I was telling him we needed to get a different trash can.
Yes, and she just wanted an automatic trash can that just kind of went up like that. Is what she was wanting, and
we're gonna see what we think.
I seen this, and I'm like,
he always has to take it a step further.
I know, I take it too much. I'm just too much, but we will find out if it's worth it. And let you know. So this is just the initial review, show you what it's like. But we'll probably do, 30 days, 6 months, a year reviews on this thing and see how it does.
And if we don't like it, we'll send it back.
Well, we've got 30 days.
Yeah.
That's what's good about Amazon. 30 days we can send this back, and we will send it back. There's no doubt about that. So hopefully...
Pretty simple. You just have your charger, the trash can, and the bags.
I mean, it looks like it works pretty good. Uh-oh.
You're going to make it seal.
Yeah, I better read some instructions. I'm touching stuff I shouldn't be touching. Okay. We will be back in just a little bit after we read the instructions.
Yes, that's what we should have started out with. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Well, we just unboxed it. I got another trash can, and I got trash out because we're so excited. So you put this in here. We read the instructions, but it's funny instructions.
Yeah.
So it's got a power thing on the back here. If you come around here and see, and that's your plug-in, USB-C. On and off. And then you have one button here, and that will open the lid, and then it will close the lid. And that is normal mode right there. And it's got a light bar back here, and it'll stay up. So it's in that mode again, open lid mode. But that light, you can't go over that light.
We can't see the light now.
Okay, we'll have to do it again. See the light? So they don't want your trash going above that. So it did it again. But once you're done and you want your trash compacted, so you wait 3 times. So it's supposed to pack on its own, the bag.
So she doesn't like the sound.
Well, that's okay.
Have to get used
Now,
to
I
it.
also heard in the reviews that it likes to have its battery charged.
Please take it out.
Huh?
Backloading complete.
Look at that.
Wow.
And see how this has sealed it? Wow. That is
So
pretty good.
is it melting the
Yeah,
plastic?
can you smell it?
Wow.
That's a good seal.
My only thing is that they need to make a bigger one.
See this here? That's the first one.
Yeah.
So this is just a continuous bag. But see how, if you can see how small it is, I'll just open this up so you can look. Here's a regular size piece of paper that came with it. It's very small to get stuff in here. So what we're going to try to use this for is anything that gnats,
So food.
food, and then if there's just paper and stuff, we'll probably throw that in a regular trash can. I mean,
This would be the perfect size then for you
Yeah.
know, just the food.
and I seen a lot of people using it for cat litter and stuff like that. They said
They'll even keep
it
it by
seals.
the
If you can see how
litter
good,
box.
there's nothing around it there. I mean, it looks like a great seal. So there's our first bag of trash. And you know, watch we're doing all kinds of reviews on stuff. Please watch our videos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.